नमस्कार, मैं हूँ सपना खंडेलवाल, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कोच एंड ऑथर ऑफ Amazon bestseller Unleash the Shakti Within, creator of India Sari Challenge Facebook group, an entrepreneur for the last 30 years doing my own business of renovating precious jewelry, and most important, co-founder of Devditi Foundation. Through this esteemed organization, socio-cultural organization, Devditi Foundation, we help urban women to come out of their inhibitions, empower themselves through live cultural online programs and offline educational and entertaining programs. इस संस्था के द्वारा हम होम मेकर्स जो बहुत प्लेन एंड सिंपल अपने आप को समझती हैं और जो घबरा जाती हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दे लैक सेल्फ एस्टीम एंड कॉन्फिडेंस, Devditi Foundation gives them a strong and a stable platform to come and air their views. Now I invite the dynamic co-founder Vandana Gupta.
Namaskar. Thank you, Sapna. Hi all, I am Vandana Gupta, co-founder of Devditi Foundation. To talk about myself, I've been a stockbroker for last 30 years and I co-founded a very successful financial company, RBC Financial. That was my start of my journey when I started discovering myself. And after 30 years, I realized that I have to give back to society in some way or the other. So Devditi Foundation was there. So as Sapna told you, we do a lot of things in Devditi Foundation, but my major thrust is my Devditi Humanitarian Bank, which is very close to me. Here, what we do, we try and identify the areas where we can give help, we support, and then we try persuade our family or members which are associated with Devditi to help, and then thus donate wherever it is needed. We're trying to bridge the gap between the haves and have-nots and trying to do our bit for the society. Lately, we have contributed about 1.5 lakh for PM Care. As you all know, we are running through this coronavirus pandemic. And I request you all to join Devditi Foundation Hand for this noble cause of Devditi Humanitarian Bank and join hands and support us, whether with money or with your time, whatever is comfortable, whatever you can share. Thank you so much. Over to you, Sapna.
All right. So the baton has come back to me, and I take great pride and pleasure in announcing a beautiful Pavleen Gujral. अब मेरे लिए तो ये पब्बी थी, है और रहेगी. एक छोटी सी बच्ची जो मेरी आंखों के सामने बड़ी हुई, and she scaled the heights. She has actually worked so hard. She not only has she been a very bright student, बहुत पढ़ी लिखी बच्चा है ये हमारा. She has done her computer engineering. She's a lawyer and she's a proper nerd जिसे कहते थे ना. तो nerdy ये लड़की और किस तरीके के fame के pinnacles छूती चली जा रही है. Here she is with us in her role of an actor, and Angry Indian Goddess was the movie that really catapulted her to that level, that stardom. She's won many awards internationally and nationally. And without further ado, I welcome the beautiful Pavleen Gujral. Pavleen?
Yes. Hello, everybody. Thank you so much. I don't know if I can call you Sapna Auntie in front of everybody, but that's how I know you. I always know you as Sapna Auntie because she and I have known each other for so long. She's more like family. And Sapna Auntie bilkul theek keh rahe hai. She's seen me grow, so she knows me from my geek period to now when I'm an actor. But thank you so much for having me here, all you lovely women of Devditi. I think this is a great initiative जो आपने start किया है, because women have the power, we just need to realize it. And I've just been lucky and fortunate. It's not like I have something extraordinary. I've just been lucky and fortunate to realize that early on that we can do this. We are no less than anybody, and all we need is support. So welcome everybody. My name is Pavleen Gujral. As Sapna Auntie also introduced me, I am an actor. I am also an MC. I host events. I'm also a qualified nutritionist, और मैं एक qualified lawyer भी हूँ. So that is where the operative word geek comes in. क्योंकि मैंने पढ़ाई तो बहुत की है, but अब मैं एक एक्टर अपने आप को कहूँगी. तो आज मैं एक्चुअली बहुत ही एक रेगुलर टॉपिक, इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक, बहुत ही रिलेटेबल टॉपिक के बारे में बात करना चाहती थी, जिसके बारे में मैंने इस लॉकडाउन के दौरान बहुत बात की. Is being in my case, is being a working actor in lockdown. But if you apply to every woman who's working, who also has a side business or who's contributing even at home in a husband's business, is a working woman in lockdown. Now these three words together, they are so difficult to do. And these three words together are three identities of ours. First, you're a woman. So basically, you're a woman, you have multiple facets. You are a mother also, you're a daughter also, you are sometimes a grandmother also, you're a wife also. Basically, there is no time for yourself. So the word woman entails so many personalities and so many duties that the woman itself is somehow at the back end, which is what the problem is here, that we never bring it forward, which is why we never realize the potential. So a working woman in lockdown is the hardest combination that you can put together. Because in this lockdown, there is no relief. Nobody is going to office, nobody is going to school, nobody is taking some time off, and you're alone at home chilling and having your cup of tea on your own without any responsibilities, duties. And this starts from the minute you are born. From the minute you are born till the time you are in school and college, and then you get married, and then you choose to work, and then it just never stops. Which is why I think that us Indian women are so capable of doing so much, because we have been doing so much our entire lives. And this lockdown somehow has really made me realize, or made other people realize, or the men realize maybe, that we do so much in a day. They have finally realized it. I mean, I have to be very candid here. मेरे घर में like my husband is amazing. जो मैं कर पाई हूँ आज उनकी वजह से कर पाई हूँ. But वो है तो एक Indian मर्द ना. अब एक Indian man thinks very differently from a global man, because globally a man is doing all the chores. That's their conditioning. That's how they're grown up. Unfortunately, our Indian man is not conditioned like that. He's not grown up like that. He's always grown up seeing his mother in the kitchen, his mother serving everybody, his mother doing all the odd jobs. And आज भी वही है. तो अब how can you blame an Indian man? जब उन्होंने कभी कुछ बेटर देखा ही नहीं, तो वो कुछ बेटर समझेंगे क्या? बट इस लॉकडाउन ने वो समझाया है जो generations of conditioning नहीं समझा पाई. और वो ये है कि a woman has umpteen number of duties in a day. She has to take care of umpteen number of people, and somehow she's always at the back. So I just wanted to say my point and say my view on the point that how Sapna introduced the whole concept of Devniti, because I think it's a fabulous thing that all of you are doing, is empowering women and giving them a space jahan pe everybody's equal, where you are not discriminated against for being something that is not acceptable, or is not considered the stronger sex. So I have to start by starting off with my story. The topic today was basically something जो सपना आंटी के साथ मैंने पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुकी हूँ. एक हमारी टॉक पहले भी हुई थी for another organization, and वहाँ पे मेरा टॉपिक था how to win at real and digital life. Now this doesn't just apply to me as an actor, but this applies to all of the entrepreneurs, especially the women entrepreneurs, all the working women out there, especially in lockdown. This applies to everybody, because digital life you can't ignore anymore. अगर आप एक छोटा सा बेकरी बिजनेस भी चला रहे हैं, तब भी आपको कोई इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल, कोई फेसबुक हैंडल करना जरूरी है. It's the way to do business these days. Real life obviously is your real life. It's not going away, and you have to do justice to it, because justice to it, because that is something that is going to be positive. In my case, it was real life, but I think if you make it subjective, if you make it relatable, then the real life could be your forefront of your business or the new venture that you're. So one is obviously the digital space, one is the real space, that is your own home, one is the real space, is the forefront of your business. So I have tried for years and years to do all these things perfectly, but that's impossible. You can't do these three things perfectly. It's just an impossible task. What you can do, I've realized over these years, is to balance it. एंड यू नो समटाइम्स मुझे अभी ये काफी स्ट्रेंज भी लग रहा है आप सब लोगों को बताते हुए, बिकॉज मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं आप सब लोगों से कितना कुछ सीख सकती हूँ. You can actually give me a tip or two to how to handle my own real life, because there are women here that must be doing all three for way more many years than I have been doing, and maybe doing it better and well. It's just that my choice of profession is such कि जो आप काम करते हो वो दिखने में टाइम नहीं लगता. It's instant gratification. So maybe it's more visible, but that doesn't mean that I have worked harder or I have worked more. It's just that you get to see my work. That's it. So I would firstly like to thank all of you for coming here, and also I'm truly honored and obliged ki who am I to tell you anything. I should be learning from all of you. So thank you for having me here. So like I said that what I have experienced in all these years is when it comes to real life, which is obviously your business prospect, at what level you think you want to start off your own work. Now with that, the one thing that I've learned to have that really makes it a success is patience. Because you're a woman and an Indian woman, there are so many things that you have to do also.
Can you be a bit louder, because
sorry.
louder. Yes, louder.
Okay.
Thank
I'll
you.
be a little closer.
Yes.
So, sorry. So I was saying that because you're an Indian woman, there are so many other things you have to do in a day. So you can't really concentrate on your business the whole time. इतनी liberty हमारे पास है नहीं. मतलब अगर मैं बोलूंगी तो सारे बोलेंगे तुम तो बहुत बड़ी फेमिनिस्ट हो, बट एक इंडियन मैन के पास ये लिबर्टी है. उनको कौन सा बच्चे देखने होते हैं, उनको कौन सा घर देखना होता है, उनको सिर्फ काम करना होता है. उनके पास ये लिबर्टी है कि वो पूरी डेडिकेशन से अपना पूरा टाइम लगा के 24 घंटे भी लगाएंगे अगर वो काम को, तो कोई कुछ बोलेगा नहीं. हम नहीं कर सकते ना ये. एंड ये लॉकडाउन में मैंने ये रियलाइज किया है कि हम नहीं कर सकते. दिन के 2 घंटे, आई मीन अगर मैं आपको अपना रूटीन बताऊं तो मेरा रूटीन ऐसा बना हुआ है कि दिन के 2 घंटे मिलते हैं मुझे काम करने. उसमें मैं ऐसी जान लगा के काम करती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि ये 2 ही घंटे हैं, मुझे नहीं मिलेंगे. और इनफैक्ट somebody recently asked me कि अरे तुम इतना all of a sudden कैसे इंटरेस्टेड हो गई हो अपने काम में, अब तुम्हारा काम आ रहा है, अब तुम इंस्टाग्राम पे ये डाल रही हो, ये कर रही हो, वो कर रही हो. मैंने कहा मैं ऑलवेज इंटरेस्टेड थी, बट बात ये है कि अब क्योंकि मैं एक मदर हूँ, मुझे पता है कि मेरा काम करने का समय यही है, तो मैं पूरी डेडिकेशन से करती हूँ कि मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के इंस्टाग्राम पे स्क्रिबलिंग नहीं करूंगी, मैं काम करूंगी. I am much more focused. In fact, I have to thank my daughter for everything that she's kept me focused. Because as a woman, the one thing that we need to do is segregate our mind. You have to keep your workspace separate. You have to keep your home space separate. It cannot mix. If it mixes, then there's bound to be a downfall. And that I've realized over the years. Like Sapna aunty knows me. उनको पता है कि मैंने कैसे start किया था, और अब मैं यहाँ पे इसलिए आई हूँ ताकि क्योंकि मैं तीन चीजें balance कर पा रही हूँ somewhat. Balance करना भी बहुत बड़ी बात है, because you can't excel at all three. It's just impossible. A superwoman is needed. Obi, it doesn't exist. Oxymoron. So, like I said, with real life, if you have a side business, if you are working, then the one thing that you need is patience. क्योंकि हमारा टाइम ये काम करने का बटा हुआ है, तो हम उतना डेडिकेटेडली नहीं कर पाते टाइम की वजह से, नॉट बिकॉज वी आर नॉट पैशनेट अबाउट इट. इसलिए वो अचीव करने में जो माइलस्टोन हम अचीव करना चाहते हैं, इट टेक्स टाइम. Second was, I realized with my real life, I realized that to prioritize is the most important thing when it comes to real life. जब Angry Indian Goddesses रिलीज हुई थी, that was my first film. उससे पहले मेरा कोई एक्टिंग का काम नहीं बाहर आया. हालांकि मैं एक थिएटर बैकग्राउंड से हूँ, मैंने 6 years एक्सटेंसिवली थिएटर किया है. Maybe that's why I have the little bit of a craft that I do. I totally attribute it to my theater days. In college, we used to perform on the streets also, and I used to sell tickets on Khan Market also. You're passionate about it. You're a student, so you wanted to be close to something that you love, and I love theater. But because I belong to a family जहाँ पे acting was not really a professional choice. Professional means lawyer बन गए, चलो डॉक्टर बन गए, अगर चलो कुछ समझ नहीं आया तो अपना बिजनेस खोल लो. But acting ऐसे कौन करता है? हमारे घरों में ये नहीं होता. ये तो मैंने
पगलीन, मैं एक सेकंड इंटरप्ट करके सबको बताना चाहूंगी कि मैंने वो फेज देखा है जब घर में सब गुस्सा हो जाते थे, स्पेशली गुजराल साहब, योर फादर, and I remember how your mother encouraged, motivated you in spite of everything in the house. Hats off to Mother Shakti. Please go on.
I have to give the full credit to my mother for making me grow up like this and making me believe I can do everything and anything. Sapna ji, you know her, you know how she is. And my dad is very strict. He's a great guy. I love him, but he's very strict. Like it was up to the point that मेरी जो मूवी एंग्री इंडियन गॉडेसेस थी, हम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड गए, हम 7 कंट्रीज में गए, हमने न्यूमरस अवार्ड्स जीते इंटरनेशनली, जिससे पहले कोई हिंदी फिल्म जीती भी नहीं थी. हम ऐसी जगहों पे गए जहाँ पे पहले लंच बॉक्स दिखाई गई थी, द फर्स्ट इंडियन मूवी एवर, और उसके बाद हमारी मूवी. And my dad didn't see it for about a year after its release. He didn't want to see it. And then मेरी बेटी फिल्म करे, I am not comfortable. He didn't want to see it. Then I convinced my चाचा कि आप चलोगे तो वो चलेंगे. तो तब उन्होंने देखी, एंड देखने के बाद तो मैं इतने डर डर के उनके पास गई और मैंने कहा कि what did you think? कहने ठीक है. I was like, wow, ठीक है, that's amazing. उनका ठीक है भी बोलना मतलब
I am interrupting you again, but this is after you were married, right? शादी के बाद की पिक्चर है ना ये? And your husband, family was supporting you, but not your father still, right?
Yes, he was not supporting it. He was not supporting my modeling days also. I started modeling after I got married because my husband, and I have to give the full credit of me pursuing what I want totally to my mother-in-law and my husband. My mother-in-law more than my husband. Because she being like 70 now, she was so broad-minded. She loved it. And my father-in-law, who's not anymore, was my first fan. When my first show came out in which I was hosting a food show, and जब पहला एपिसोड रिलीज हो रहा था फूड पे, दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट स्टिंट विद टीवी, एंड मैंने मेरे फादर इन लॉ को बताया कि पापा मैं आज टीवी पे आने वाली हूँ. ही कॉल्ड ऑल हिज फ्रेंड्स इन द इवनिंग, डिड अ होल टी पार्टी, sat everybody down in the living room, they all watched the episode together. I have a great time. Oh, मेरी बेटी देखो टीवी पे. I was like, I can't believe this is happening. So I really believe अपना आंटी that आपकी लाइफ ना बटी होती है. अगर आपको शुरू में जो आप चाहते हो नहीं मिलता ना, it eventually it will happen. If you really really want it, it will happen. वो पोलो कोहेलो की बुक है ना, वो कहते हैं कि if you really really want something, then the whole universe conspires to help you achieve it. That really happened in my case. It just things just changed after marriage. Suddenly I was in such a liberal household. उन्होंने कहा मॉडलिंग करो. मॉडलिंग, wow, I mean that was amazing. कुछ भी पहनो, कुछ भी करो, ट्रैवल करो, जो तुम्हारा दिल आता है. बस वहां से मेरी जर्नी स्टार्ट हो गई. आई डोंट नो हाउ, बट आई थिंक इट वाज प्योरली सपोर्ट. इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि इन इंडियन वुमन, ऑल ऑफ द इंडियन वुमेन, वी आर सो टैलेंटेड. हमारे में इतनी शक्ति है टू अचीव एनीथिंग वी वांट टू. ऑल वी नीड इज सपोर्ट. दैट्स इट. बट वो फिर इट्स हार्ड टू फाइंड. सो so my real life was actually a big roller coaster, considering where I came from and now where I've landed. And even when I was pursuing acting is still not a very acceptable profession in any family. आज भी अब उनको लग रहा है कि ठीक है चलो ये seriously acting कर रही है. नहीं तो पहले उन्हें लगता था एक्टर किसको बनना होता है, इस उम्र में तुम एक्टर बनोगी, माँ बन के तुम एक्टर बनोगी. I was like, why not? There's nobody stopping me. Role मुझे मिल रहे हैं. If they don't have a problem, then there shouldn't be anybody else having a problem, as long as I know what to do and what not to do. So I think that it just happened very naturally. थोड़ा time लगा to convince. वो तो लगता ही है. I think convincing power is the one thing that one should have. Convincing power is a huge asset. If you can convince your family to support you in your endeavor, then half the battle is won. Then you will definitely achieve success. That's what I have realized. So my real life was mostly just being choosing the right options at the right time. And when Angry Indian Goddesses released, so my daughter was only 2 months. And मेरे को पूरे वर्ल्ड ट्रैवल के लिए जाना था. I had to go to Germany for 25 days because Germany was our biggest producer and we had to go to 15 cities. I had to go, but I did go. My mother-in-law said, I'll take care of her. My mother said, I'll take care of her. My husband said, don't worry. It's an opportunity of a lifetime. Next time, when will you go all over the world, full expense paid trip, first class, everything was, and that because of my work. You know, it was not, that kind of feeling was, I've never seen that. I've never worked in a corporate setup. Corporate setup में ये होता है, but मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात थी कि मेरे काम की वजह से मुझे लोग all over the world लेके जा रहे हैं. And I did it, and it was, I prioritized. But then I decided कि मैं ये ट्रिप करूंगी पर मैं कोई नया काम नहीं लूंगी जब तक मेरी बेटी 1-1.5 साल की नहीं हो जाती. Because I wanted to feed her. I didn't want to be away from her. I did those 2 months of travel because I was reaping the benefits of the hard work that I had put in that film. So I wanted to reap the benefits, but I did not take any new work till she was 1.5 years. I did not take any new work because I didn't want to neglect her any further. And now she's 5, and since last year I've again gotten back into the game, and I've realized that there is no age to stop you from doing what you really love. Just because you're a certain age doesn't mean that you can't become an actor or you can't become a dancer or you can't get on TV. There is no such thing. I mean, I am 36 right now, and I am playing roles much younger than me because I don't know, maybe I'm gifted, I have genetics. You should look at my mother, she looks like my sister. Maybe it's genetics. But people in the industry do know my age. They do know I have a daughter, but it's working. I think times have really changed for women, especially in the entertainment industry. Your age is not a factor anymore. You can try to achieve what you want based on how much you want it, based on what your passion is towards it. And I love my profession dearly. In fact, my husband keeps on joking. कहता बस तुम्हें तुम्हारी बेटी चाहिए, तुम्हारा काम चाहिए बस, और तुम्हें कुछ नहीं चाहिए. मैंने कहा नहीं, तुम भी चाहिए कभी कभी. So he just jokes around like that how crazy I am about my work. So that was my real life. My real life was always about prioritizing. I had to let it go for a couple of years. Of course, I feel like कि अगर उस time I would have cashed in on Angry Indian Goddesses, मैं और projects ले लेती, मैं cash in करती अपने success पे, तो आज मैं शायद different level पे होती. But it's okay. I would have missed out on all the amazing things that I get to do with my daughter, and the way she looks at me, the connection that I have with her. I would have missed it, and it would have never come back again. And I realize that now when she's 5, and especially during this lockdown, I am so thankful for this lockdown because I feel like it's given me such an opportunity to just be with her. Because of my work and profession, I travel so much.
Pavleen,
the world just comes around again. Everything happens for a reason, and बुरा होता है तो अच्छा भी होता है. So that was my real life, and the last was my digital life. Everybody's digital life. It's very important these days. It's so important. People judge you by your Instagram profile. They judge you by your Facebook profile. And I feel like it's such bad judgment because when I meet these Facebook stars and Instagram stars, they fail in comparison. They are like, अरे यार तुम तो इतने बढ़िया लग रहे थे Facebook पे, अब तुम बात नहीं कर रहे हो. It's mostly
I think some network issues. Yeah.
Yeah, I
Some
think
network
even-
issues, but then that's what technology is.
Uh,
That's good. At times you have to accept. So Pavleen, let me share you little things about Pavleen. Yes, Pavleen, go ahead. You're on. I was going to give them some insight about you as a baby, but तुम वापस आ गई Pavleen. Angie, Pavleen, go on.
am I back on now?
yeah.
Yes.
So I'm just about to finish it only. I just wanted to. I'm at the final पड़ाव of my life जो मैंने recently discuss किया है. Recent facet of my life वो है मेरी digital life, जो भी बहुत जरूरी है, सबके लिए बहुत जरूरी है.
Some connectivity issues are there with Pavleen.
Actually,
Ari or Jari, Pavleen? Pavleen?
हाँ जी.
हाँ बोलो, अब बोलो वापस. You're back on air.
Oh, okay. Sorry. There's a connection. It's from my end. It's absolutely fine. Okay, maybe. So I was saying that the last facet of my life is my digital life, and it is equally important to everybody else these days, especially a working woman. And I've realized with the digital life, the principle is to not take it too seriously. Because firstly, it could be fake. It's not really real. It's an extension of you. It's not you. So you need to put your best foot forward, which is very easy to do. अगर आप अच्छी अच्छी चीजें डालेंगे, लोग अच्छी अच्छी चीजें देखेंगे. So it's very easy to do. So don't take it too seriously. That's what I've realized. Digital space में जो होता है should never be taken too seriously. Especially when you have something real backing it up. Like my real life is my work. My digital life is just a reflection of it. That's why I consciously made a decision of not not becoming an influencer or a blogger because it's not my space. I'm not that sort of person. I know I cannot do justice to that work because I feel like it's the dedication in being a blogger and influencer is so much larger than just being an artist. The difference between the two is that with an artist you go within. With an influencer or a blogger you go outward more. So I feel like I'm more of a within kind of person. I cannot do that. It's not my thing. So then that's why I don't take it too very seriously, and I don't think everybody should be taking it very seriously. Just keep it happy, keep it nice and light, and that's what people want to see on the digital space. They want something that is entertaining. So that's what I've realized with my digital life. So with my reel, it's always been patience. I've been around for a couple of years and now I'm reaping the benefits. With my real life, it's always about priority. What is important at this point of time? And I think I have cracked the code. With my digital life, it's always about having fun. So I think these are very three different facets of my personality, which obviously reflects in everybody's personality who is in this meeting right now, and all the women who are working in this lockdown or not working in this lockdown. That these are three facets of your personality that you have to balance any which way. But to perfect all three is an impossible task, and nobody should really attempt it. So
Perfect.
that's it.
Perfect, Pavleen. Perfect. Sajna, I think we'll go for the question answer round. So, Pavleen, पहले मेरा question पूछ लेते हैं, हाँ?
जरूर.
जब तुम्हें बिल्कुल एकदम जिस फैमिली से तुम गई थी, जब वहां गई तो you described what you felt. What exactly? How did you manage this relationship with your mother-in-law? The mother-in-law, daughter-in-law is a very tricky thing. So अगर तुम थोड़ा सा बताओगी, तब तक हम लोग और questions identify कर लेते हैं. Your relationship with your mother-in-law and how did you balance your ससुराल का घर and your work?
That was the hardest task because Sapna ji, I was married into a joint family. और वो joint family भी कोई आम joint family नहीं थी. There were 19 people staying in one house. And ये तो मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि आजकल के जमाने में 19 लोग भी रहते हैं, पर वो उस टाइम रह रहे थे. Fortunately या unfortunately, I mean, who am I to say? जब मेरी शादी हुई तो 2 families अलग हो गई क्योंकि वो वेट कर रहे थे कि किसी लड़के की शादी हो, तो उन्होंने अलग कर दिया था काम वगैरह और 2 families across the street shift हो गई. बट 19 लोग वहां रह रहे थे. इनफैक्ट मुझे याद है वेरी फनी स्टोरी. जब पहली बार मेरे हस्बैंड होने वाले हस्बैंड मुझे लेके गए थे अपने घर, तीसरी मीटिंग थी क्योंकि मीटिंग्स भी करना अलाउड नहीं था, बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट घर था. तो तीसरी मीटिंग थी, लास्ट मीटिंग थी जहाँ पे डिसाइड करना था. तो मेरे हस्बैंड, एंड द स्ट्रेंज पार्ट वाज दैट मुझे नहीं रियली पूछा गया था कि मेरी हाँ या ना है, क्योंकि ऐसा वैसा एनवायरनमेंट नहीं था. लड़के पे था कि वो हाँ बोले या ना बोले. तो उन्होंने हाँ बोली तो मैंने कहा हाँ ठीक है बढ़िया है. तो कहते चलो घर चलो, तुम्हें तो फिर दादी से मिलना पड़ेगा. मैंने कहा नहीं, हमारे यहाँ पहले नहीं जाती हैं लड़कियां ऐसे घर पे. कहते नहीं बाहर से मिल लेंगे. तो किसी तरह ले, बाहर से क्या मिले, वो अंदर ही ले गए. और अंदर मैंने देखा कि ओह माय गॉड, देयर आर लाइक 19 पीपल एंड उसके ऑल रिलेटिव्स आए हुए थे. देयर वर 25 पीपल इन द हाउस. और आई गॉट स्कैर्ड क्योंकि 25 लोग यहाँ रहते हैं. एंड आई वाज इन द ड्राइंग रूम एंड पीपल जस्ट केप्ट ऑन कमिंग इनटू द ड्राइंग रूम फ्रॉम इनसाइड द हाउस. एंड I got, but they were so warm and so nice. I just couldn't believe that all these people were staying with each other, which is why I think is the reason for the support that my husband and my mother-in-law give me. क्योंकि वो रहे हैं इतने सारे लोगों के साथ, इतनी multiple personalities के साथ. So you have to be an adjusting person. You have to give the freedom to the other person. And when I went, the first thing that I did was that my mother-in-law is a complete old soul. Like she is the most generous, the kindest person I know. And I don't know how she does it. She's always smiling in the face of any kind of hatred, or all she has to give is love. And I saw even in this 25 people, she was the one sitting all alone. Not because she was sad, but उनको अच्छा लगता था अपने आप से बैठना. कोई उनके पास आता तो I went and sat with her. Because obviously she's going to be my mother-in-law. I went and sat with her. And that I think instantly won her. Somehow she said that, "Hi, मैनू आज भी याद है कि तू मेरे नाल आके बैठ गई थी." क्योंकि उनके कहते तू माता जी नाल नहीं बैठी, तू मेरे नाल आके बैठ गई. I was like, because you know that was how I've been brought up. Mama taught me like that. कि mother-in-law है, you know, she's your second mother. And that, I think, it started the journey of love and affection and respect between me and her. From then onwards, I think she fell in love with me and I fell in love with her. More so than my own husband also कहते तुम आपस में ही लगी रहती हो, तो तुम्हारा टाइम नहीं है तो हम तो फिर we are like we are best friends now ना. So she is truly my second mother. I have been blessed with an amazing mother-in-law. बहुत बहुत अच्छा बोल दिया.
I can see Alpana's hand going up. Alpana,
Even I want to say something. Can I?
yeah, please go ahead.
Just tell me one thing, sweetie. तुमको कन्विंस करना पड़ा होगा किसी ना किसी को तो to take this acting journey forward or modeling. तो कौन थे? How was the relation and how did you manage? And today you say you got the support, you could do it. But do you think अगर तुमको support नहीं मिलता तो तुम करती?
नहीं, मैं नहीं करती फिर वंदना आंटी. मैं अगर मुझे सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता मैं नहीं करती. अगर मैं कर सकती तो मैं अपने मॉम डैड की घर कर लेती ना. पर मेरे को सिर्फ एक पुश चाहिए थी जो मुझे अपने हस्बैंड के घर मिली. I knew my dad is not comfortable with this profession, so I never took it on. Although I wanted to be an actor, but maximum theater. मैं NSD भी जाना चाहती थी, but my dad was not very supportive, and I understood it. I respected his decisions.
Okay. Convince किसको करना पड़ा?
Convince, actually, I was very lucky कि मेरे father-in-law उस time alive थे जब मैंने काम start किया. तो उनको भी convince करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी क्योंकि मेरा काम उस time स्टार्ट ही टीवी से हुआ था और एक शादी का शो था. वो तो वैसे ही इतने खुश थे टू सी मी ऑन टीवी. I have to actually give him a lot of credit because he paved the path for me, and he was the eldest in the family. बाकी चाचे थे, he was the eldest. तो अगर उनको प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी तो बाकी चाचाs out of respect never said anything. In the middle, actually, when I started taking it very seriously, there were some people who were not comfortable with the fact. But I always took it with a pinch of salt. ये तो होना ही है. देखिए आप अगर, I feel like you have to be really strong, and you have to be deaf and dumb at sometimes.
That's what I wanted to hear. That's what I really wanted to hear, that you yourself need to be strong. Then people supporting you at times. अगर आप खुद ही strong नहीं हो तो आपकी support भी कुछ नहीं कर सकती.
True.
That was my basic thing.
अच्छा. वो तो given है कि if you don't have the strength within yourself तो बाकी लोग क्यों आपको strength देंगे?
Yeah. Okay, you can carry on.
Yeah, over to Alpana. I'm unmuted. Yes. Alpana, go ahead.
Namaskar and good evening, everyone. Can you
hear me? Hello, Auntie, how are you?
Yes, we can.
Hi, how are you, darling?
I'm fine. How are you doing? Looking lovely.
Thank you. You too, darling.
Thank you.
First of all, so Pavleen, thank you so much for the lovely motivational talk. Actually, darling, I'm completely correlate my life with you. My in-laws are also very, very, very supportive throughout my life. So just want to thanks to you. इतना सुना मैंने कि in-laws का support अगर होता है ना, एक तुम्हें कहाँ से कहाँ ले जाता है. So thanks and love you, darling.
Oh, thank you
and
so much,
God bless
Auntie.
you.
Thank you so much. That's so nice to hear from you. Thank you.
Okay. So our gorgeous Alpana didn't have a question but a comment, है ना?
Not a comment, darling. Just a comment.
I've also seen Alpana's life, and Alpana is a very glamorous, a beautiful lady, and she's always talked very highly about her sasural valas. And publicly tell you this, जब तुम बोल रही थी ना 1900, ऐसे ही मैं 19-year-old मेरी शादी हुई थी, and I walked into a family of 40 people, and I didn't know.
Oh my God!
शादी हो गई.
40 people.
And I asked my husband, वापस अपने घर नहीं जाएंगे? कहता है
Oh no! You take the cake, Sapna auntie. मेरे 19 people कुछ नहीं है 40 के आगे.
Then I was, I think, luckiest of all. मैं 19 लोगों के family से आके 4 जनों की family में आई थी.
Oh. How did you feel, वैसे वंदना auntie? How was the transition?
The transition was not very good because I used to miss. I'm a very talkative person, very interactive kind of a person. So and always कि हर चीज पूछ के क्यों करनी, हमारी ही तो है. In a joint
हाँ.
family, it is all हमारा, चाहे उसका कमरा है चाहे उसका कमरा, हमारा ही है, हम
True.
किसी भी
I
टाइम
can
बैठ
see
सकते हैं
one
किसी
going up
के.
and
True.
I can see
So
a
that was not there in a nuclear family. वो उसका कमरा है, वहां क्यों गए हो, वहां क्यों जाना है, उनका टाइम
True.
सोने का है, वहां क्यों जा रहे हो, अरे हमें क्या, हमारा पूरा घर है, हमें जाने दो, कहीं पे भी जाना है. That was the restriction I felt, and
True.
nobody to talk
हाँ.
to the entire day.
Pavleen, I
Yeah,
have a
that's true.
question coming up
Hmm.
from Sarjana. Sarjana, हाँ Sarjana, तुम्हारा हाँ हाँ, तुम कुछ पूछना चाह रही थी ना? तुम्हारा हाँ, unmute हाँ.
Pavleen, I just wanted to find out, how is your daughter reacting to your career? I mean, how does she react when you act, when she sees you on the big screen? What, when she goes to school, probably she, her friends talk to her about it. What is her reaction to most of the things?
So she's seen quite a bit of my work. She hasn't seen my movies, but she's seen me on TV. She's seen multiple ads. She loves it. कभी मैं कहीं जाती हूँ, स्टेज पे जाती हूँ, तो अगर if it is something that I can take her to, मैं उसको साथ लेके जाती हूँ. I take her on stage and she absolutely loves it. कभी फ्री बैठी होती है तो मुझे मम्मा मुझे अपना टीवी पे दिखाओ, आपकी कोई एड दिखाओ, आपका कोई शो दिखाओ. She wants to see my shows, but she's just 5, so I can't really show her a lot of things. She needs to be at least a teenager. स्कूल में अभी ये है कि क्योंकि 5 साल की है तो अभी इसके फेलो स्टूडेंट्स को पता नहीं है मेरे काम के बारे में. इवेंचुअली पता लग जाएगा. I don't know how she's going to handle it because she is already has a mind of her own. She's actually adjusted to the whole thing pretty well. She prefers my work to Papa's work, which she said so many times. मुझे आपका काम अच्छा लगता है, मुझे पापा का वो तो obvious है. बट उसके पापा गोवा में काम करते हैं तो उसको वो थोड़ा वो भी लगता है कि अरे गोवा जाने को मिलता है तो. So she's
Your work shows. Actually में क्या है कि जितनी भी हम
हाँ.
ladies हैं, उनका काम दिखता नहीं है. Once your work shows,
हाँ.
you've been, on a different pedestal. वो लगता है हाँ मम्मा तो ये काम कर रही है, उसकी मम्मा तो कुछ भी नहीं करती.
हाँ. No, I agree.
So,
I agree.
that is the
That
reason.
is a big benefit of my industry कि instant gratification. जो आप करते हो वो दिख जाता है तो fame popularity का ये it's a very easy path that ways, but I have realized, I have to say this, I have realized कि actors, it's not an easy job. During shoots, you have to stand in the sun for hours. You have to rehearse your lines. There are takes, 100, 120 takes. And in spite of all that, you have to look nice. Be nice. You can't throw tantrums. You have to be a genuinely good person. You can't have a bad day. You can't have an irritable day. Because the industry is such, जो आप दिखाते हो वो आगे जाता है, वो दिखता है. It's just you have to really suck it up, and it's so hard, so hard. I have realized that all these big stars, Veer Ranveer Singh, Deepika Padukone, they work very hard. It's not so easy. When I was not in this business, I used to say, अरे क्या ये लोग तो तैयार होके बस कैमरे के सामने खड़े हो जाते हैं, 2-3 लाइनें बोल देते हैं. But no, there is so much that goes behind it. There is so much that they have to go within. They have to fight with their own demons, and only good actors survive in the industry. If you're good at your craft, only then you survive. It's not just enough that you just end up looking pretty and you will make it. So it's a lot of hard work, and I'm willing to do it. It's इतना hard work करके. So my daughter also says, कहते मम्मा कि मुझे आपका ना जो आप फोन पे रहते हो काम करते हो मुझे वो नहीं पसंद, आपका स्टेज वाला काम पसंद है. मैंने कहा बेटा क्या वो it's not that easy. There's a path to it. मैं ये करती हूँ तभी तो मैं वहां पहुंचती हूँ. It's a big path. So she thinks it's वैसे ही जो हो जाएगा. But now she realizes lockdown में जब मैं काम करती रहती हूँ, video record करती हूँ, how hard it is, how many takes do I have to do, I have to rehearse lines, I have to do back and forth. So she now realizes it. But अभी 5 साल की है, बहुत छोटी है.
So Pavleen, what are your projects, upcoming projects? And I want you to tell everybody about the book, the books that you
Yes.
promote. You must share that because that is where
Of course.
all your wisdom, all your knowledge, all your strength and resilience comes from there. Please share on that, some light on that as well.
Yes, I will. I should. So starting with I should start with this first. I've started a book reading initiative during this lockdown, which is called the #Rail Challenge, which Sapna Aunty has also done. So basically, it's to spread the joy of reading. I was an avid reader when I was growing up. I was such a geek. I used to read textbooks also. I used to read any novel, and I've read classics also. Classic literature is my favorite. And I attribute a lot of my thought process to all the reading that I've done. I think education never leaves you. Education never defeats you. Because I have an LLB degree and a honors computer science honors degree is why I'm able to do what I'm doing, able to communicate with people, communicate my thought process, कि what I'm actually thinking, put it into good words and tell them. ये communication ही तो सबसे ज़्यादा important है. पढ़ाई यही तो सिखाती है. एंड इसीलिए मैंने ये इनिशिएटिव स्टार्ट किया है, जो है बेसिकली अगर आप कुछ भी इंटरेस्टिंग पढ़ रहे हैं, can't just be a book. Kyunki the thing is, to read a book also is a big task. You don't have to read a book to be part of the real challenge. If you've read a very interesting paragraph in a book, if you've read a very interesting article in a magazine, or you're reading poems, or you're reading a short story, anything that you're reading which is interesting, then I want you to click a picture of what you have read. I want you to tag me on Instagram or Facebook, and I want to use the hashtag Rail Challenge. Rail is a short for Read Anything Interesting Lately Challenge. So it's about people knowing what the other person is reading and spread the joy of reading and encourage reading. Because in this world of screen supremacy, how much can you watch? I'm also from the industry, but I can't watch all these shows. I'm tired now. So this is like, it's a new initiative I've started. Multiple publications have also talked about it. Times of India, Red FM, I've done radio shows also about it also. A lot of my influential friends have done it. My actor friends have done it. Bloggers have participated in it. So I would request all of you to please take on the Rail Challenge. It's very easy. It's called hashtag Rail Challenge. Just click a picture of whatever you're reading and tag hashtag Rail Challenge, and I'll put it on my story and we can have a discussion on it.
Perfect. And what else do you wish to tell us about your straddling both the worlds? Because any questions anybody has, please raise your hand. Straddling both the worlds. तुमने harassment face करी क्या, Pavleen? Because we hear so many stories once you go into this world of this big bad world of cinema. बहुत कुछ होता है, लड़कियों के लिए अच्छी जगह नहीं है, बहुत harassment होती है तुम्हारे साथ, भगवान ना करे, पर तुमको सुना कभी किसी के साथ ऐसा हुआ या it's up to one?
नहीं होता है, ये तो मैं मानती हूँ, बट फॉर्चुनेटली मेरे साथ कभी नहीं हुआ ऐसा, क्योंकि एक्चुअली क्या है कि आई एम 5 feet 10 inches and I'm not really I'm a big girl. तो वैसे ही men get intimidated and the whole industry knows that I'm married and I have a child. So nobody has tried anything funny business. Nobody has tried anything fishy, because I made it very clear from the very beginning where I come from. And I feel in this industry, if you're clear about your intentions, if you focus on your work and you make yourself clear that this is what I'm here for and this is what I'm going to do and this is how I'm going to achieve it, and I'm not going to steer, then nobody's going to touch you. In fact, I was a model for 6 years. वो 6 सालों में भी मुझे कभी भी ऐसे कोई कास्टिंग काउच या किसी ने कोई indecent proposal किया हो, never ever have I ever come across it. In fact, the men are the one who receive more indecent proposals in modeling. But I have never, because I've always been very straightforward and very, very rigid in the way I want to achieve what I want to achieve. So fortunately,
So again, a little tech glitch.
Yeah.
Oh,
She's back.
किसी और के question है? कोई और कुछ पूछना चाह रहा है? I cannot see any hand at the moment. Sajna, Vanadi, carry on if you people want to ask anything else.
Question
I actually wanted to.
Please carry on.
I wanted to answer Sapnaji's question about what is coming out next. So I will be shooting for an ad very soon. We are doing one of those shoot at home ads. So I don't know how that is going to work out. A lot of people are doing shoot at home ads. So I'm going to do that very soon, hopefully with my daughter. Apart from that, Made in Heaven season 2 was about to start shooting in August, but because of the coronavirus, it has been postponed. I was in Made in Heaven season 1 also. So I'm in season 2 also, but they want to do an international shoot. They wanted to shoot in Europe.
Lovely. You tell them about your shows. What all have you been doing and what all is
No, her video is off again.
Away.
Oh,
On again.
oh, okay. Now is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I have, I recently did this show for Woot Select called Marzi. This was an official adaptation. The Viacom people bought the screenplay and it has done very, very well. We have gotten amazing reviews. It stars Rajiv Khandelwal and Ahana Kumra. So I would request all of you to please go watch Marzi on Woot Select. So Marzi 2 was going to start shooting maybe in August, September, but I don't know when that's happening. Then there was another Alt Balaji show that I was the main lead in. That is also stalled. काम तो बहुत था इस साल, but अब सब कुछ shoots तो I think November, December से पहले नहीं होने वाले. So I really miss the set. One thing I really miss in this lockdown is the set. I want to get back on set. I want to start shooting, but not before November, December. Nothing's gonna happen before that.
So are you not able to shoot जैसे through conferencing और इस तरीके की? सिर्फ आजकल बहुत चीजें बनने लगी हैं, तुम लोग नहीं कर रहे कोई ऐसा काम on video?
मैं एक्चुअली आंटी एक टेलीविजन कमर्शियल शूट करने वाली हूँ, ऐसे तरीके से जो शूट एट होम वीडियोस हैं. बट जो वेब सीरीज है, मेरी 3 वेब सीरीज इस साल शूट होने वाली थी. वेब सीरीज तो नहीं शूट हो सकती थ्रू वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग, वो तो सेट पे ही, बिकॉज इट्स अ होल सीन एंड एवरीथिंग. वेब सीरीज, फिल्म्स, ये सब कुछ तो विल हैव टू वेट टिल द एंड ऑफ द ईयर टू रिज्यूम शूटिंग.
सॉरी, कैन आई?
या
तो ये जो तुम्हारे शूट एट होम है, जो होम शूटिंग होती है, तो उसमें कैसे आप करते हो? यू बीन गिवन योर स्क्रिप्ट एंड यू जस्ट मेक अ वीडियो फ्रॉम योर ओन फोन?
So it's most of the actors, especially the ones who don't stay in Bombay, we have a stand. We have a phone stand that we use, a selfie stand. Mine is a proper stand. I have a light also.
Okay.
And so these things you have to invest in as an actor, sending out self tapes, self auditions.
Okay.
So they send a script. They usually have a director, but the director gives instructions through the phone or like a Zoom conference like this, and the actor has to shoot it. If you notice, a lot of ads are being released which are being shot at home by the actor himself or herself.
Yeah.
They don't have the same effect, but this is the new normal. This is what we have to do now. The industry can't stop. Especially television commercials can't stop. They have to keep rolling.
Yeah. Thanks.
Very true, very true. So what we all have been facing again as across categories, ये लॉकडाउन ने का माहौल ने बहुत कुछ बदल दिया है ना? And probably new normal might be this. We just don't know.
Right.
We just don't know how the new normal might play out. So what you spoke about your real life and digital life, maybe you can check some more things for the women here on the call about how to manage their digital life. What are the steps they need? What do they need to be careful about? और किस तरीके से चलना चाहिए, क्योंकि आजकल सबका डिजिटल प्रेजेंस है, तो थोड़ा सा इस बारे में.
डिजिटल लाइफ में मैंने ये आंटी रियलाइज किया है that you have to, first of all, frequency plays a very important part. अगर आप suppose if you're dedicated towards a certain cause, और आप suppose आप makeup tutorial start करना चाहते हैं, या आप dress up tutorial start करना चाहते हैं, something to do with clothes, there has to be a frequency. You have to set a timetable for it. कि Monday के Monday I'm going to put up a video, Wednesday के Wednesday I'm going to do a live, Friday के Friday I'm going to do an interaction with any fellow influencer, or Friday के Friday I'm going to put up a contest, or I'm going to put up a poll. So now these Instagram, Facebook, they have so many avenues to entertain your audience that you have to utilize it if you want to make this as a business, and if you want to earn a living, or maybe just make it as a business. If you make the digital space as your business, you have to explore all options. So what I've realized from these bloggers, influencers, and I also try and do it, that I make a timetable of a week, जिसमें at least 3 से 4 बार मैं पोस्ट करती हूँ. स्टोरीज रोज की डालनी, अगर आप रोज 4-5 स्टोरीज डालेंगे दैट इज बेटर. आजकल लोग स्टोरीज ज्यादा कम देखते हैं, बिकॉज पोस्ट्स आपके टाइमलाइन में नीचे चली जाती हैं, स्टोरीज वहीं पे रहती हैं. The important things should be consistent in the post. The post should have the important things. The stories could be more relatable. The more relatable a story is, the better it works. So if you just put pictures of you looking pretty all the time, or if you just put pictures of your work all the time, it doesn't work on your digital presence. It has to be something that people relate to. It has to be real. So the real factor in your digital space has also become very important. For example, like I have also been told by my PR that, so I also have a PR agency, and as an actor, it's important that you do that. They also sometimes tell me that, you know, now your profile is getting very work. उसमें कुछ अपना personal life का भी कुछ डालो, put some pictures of your family, put some pictures of, so even that kind of thing really plays a part. although I try and steer away from it, I have not given the handling of my handle. My Instagram and Facebook is solely managed by me, because I really, like I said, I don't take it too seriously. It's an extension of my personality, because I am an actor mostly. I'm not really an influencer. So the influencer bit comes from being the actor. But wo bhi PR company also suggests you कि you have to, if you want to make a digital presence, then you have to sort out a timetable, and frequency is the key.
Okay. So for people like small entrepreneurs or business women in the houses, they need to make a strategy, and uske according अपने digital presence उनको डालनी पड़ेगी, is what you are trying to say, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's very important.
Wonderful, wonderful. Acha, anybody else with any kind of a question for Pavleen?
Yeah, Pavleen, I would like to find out how are your parents and your in-laws reacting to the limelight? Are they enjoying it now?
My mother though loves it. She absolutely loves it. She's got so many friends who come up to her and say, "अरे आपकी बेटी को हमने यहाँ देखा था, वहाँ देखा था," and I feel like I have a long way to go. I feel like this is just the beginning for me. I've told my mom also, give me 2 years and people are going to recognize you. And she's a little scared also. कहते हैं कि एहो जा तू की करन वाली है. मैंने कहा नहीं, don't worry. I want to get bigger and bigger in my art form, and abhi it's too early to. I want them to be proud, and I think I'm on the right path. It'll just take time.
What about your in-laws family? That 19 people in the family. I'm not talking about your mother-in-law.
Oh.
Those 19 people.
But the people whose opinion I value and whose opinion matters to me, they are with me. Whose opinion may be against me, I don't let it affect me, because the road to success has to be achieved alone only. And if there are a lot of people pulling you back, you have to be stronger and just steer ahead. So ignore any kind of criticism. If you believe in your craft, if you believe in your passion, then just be at it.
Well said,
That is Sapna, that we must take the cue from all of us. All our Devditis must learn from that.
Yeah, that's a big thing, in one line, but it's a big thing.
But actually, I have seen her grow, and with the kind of maturity she exhibits. So वो सब आता है जब आप बहुत पढ़ते हैं ना, जब आपका vision बहुत बड़ा होता है, horizons बहुत broad होते हैं. And what about your computer engineering? Are you doing anything in that line, Pavleen? Are you in any way, or is it tech business helping that field helping you in this?
Not really. Whatever I had learned, because I had learned the nitty-gritties of computers. I had learned coding languages, and that is not really helping me. But the fact that I am able to like I edit my own videos, I do all my mails myself, nobody handles my accounts. That comes with my my comfort with the digital space, my comfort with machines, my comfort on the laptop. Because I worked for 3 years religiously in sitting in front of the screen, so I'm comfortable doing it. And it takes a lot of work to create a profile, and you have to be so updated. You have to update your links. You have to create a profile that is engaging. And I do all of that myself. I haven't hired anybody to do it. So I think that way my computer science degree really helps.
Wonderful. That's a lot of work. That's a lot of work, because a छोटी post लगती है दिखने में, पर कितना कुछ जाता है उसको बनाने के लिए.
Pavleen, you'll get this, कि तुमको कितना help किया once you start teaching your daughter.
Yeah.
You'll actually understand how valuable that education of that time, when you start making your daughter learn maths, algebra and all, then you'll find ki, yes, it is so helpful. You're not looking for a tuition here and there right from 6th standard.
I agree. Like I remember my mother only made us take Sanskrit tuitions. Rest she said मैं किसी चीज की tuition नहीं लगाऊंगी, संस्कृत मेरे को नहीं आती बिल्कुल भी, तो उसकी मैं tuition लगाऊंगी. And I am going to do that with my daughter. Like I even took a storytelling course in her school. Her school invited me to be the chief guest at a fashion show in her school. She goes to RD school in New Friends Colony, and I feel like because of my background in education, I have a different perspective in education, and it's and I've deliberately put her in a school that realizes non-bookish knowledge, because that's what I had non-bookish knowledge. So I think it's really helping. You're right, Vandana auntie. It really helps. I teach her very differently, and she enjoys teaching, learning from me rather than her own teacher. In fact, it gets to a point of embarrassment when she says it to the teacher also.
Yeah, I can understand that because I've been doing with my children that way. So this is अगर आपने रोज की लाइफ में नहीं भी यूज कर रहे हो कंप्यूटर टेक्नोलॉजी अपनी जो आपने लर्न किया, it will help you. You'll see. That's what I'm trying to mean. And it will build that relationship of mother and daughter being together all the time, you know, because otherwise the most of the time the tuition teachers take away.
True. I agree. See, for example, I have to tell you, so my film, there's another film I did called Bore. It is going to release on Netflix or Amazon Prime very soon. It's my second film. I've done 4 films. This is my second film that is going to release. So it premiered at the Cairo International Film Festival. It was the only Hindi feature film to appear at the Cairo International Film Festival in Egypt. I took my daughter Rabani along. I took my mother and I took my sister. It was like my gift to my family, and all 4 of us went. And she remembers the pyramids. She remembers the Sphinx, and the way she talks about it in class, like she's studying Africa right now, completely changes her perspective. It's not, you can see that the kind of knowledge one gets when they've actually experienced what they are learning is completely different.
So that's wonderful, Pavleen. And we have just 2 minutes because we at Devditi are known to keep on time, start on time and end on time. And what you brought to the table is a lot of value, Pavleen. We've got to understand a little bit about your journey. किस तरीके से तुम चली, तुमने क्या क्या करा, कैसे हार्ड वर्क करा, कैसे अचीव करा, एक बैलेंस बनाया. And your 3 P's, if I may recall, you said prioritize in your space, right? Am I right?
Right, absolutely.
In your home space and at your workspace and at your, what did you say? Can you just give 3 takeaways for this session could be that. Can you just repeat again?
Yes, so I like the fact that you made it into 3 P's. The first was patience in your real life or your work life. In everybody else's case, in my case, it was real life. Patience in your real life, prioritize your real life. And with the digital space, it was more like it was
seriously.
Don't take it seriously. That's what I do. I don't take it seriously.
Okay, we find a word for that. So now we've got to end the session. Much as we would not like to, much as we would like to hear you more, but it's always better to have the audience wanting more, right, Hannah?
Of course,
yes.
Course, always.
And I must acknowledge the upbringing of your mother, the handling of your mother-in-law, and grooming you the way you have shaped up. So God bless you and everyone in your family, and may you rise to the pinnacles of success. And all of us Devditis wish and bless you with loads and loads of success and happiness. And on this note, I thank you from the bottom of my heart on behalf of Devditi Foundation for taking the time to be here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much for a lovely afternoon.